guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I've been really enjoying the cloud mix lately, and I just saw a couple of videos from Sarah Taylor and Dwight Pour, and I am really perplexed. I mean, not perplexed, but I'm anxious to try this out. Basically, it's a very, very thin base of Artist Loft Flow White with Floetrol, and then Decor Satin Enamels, and I put a little GAC 800 in it and some water, and we're just going to, these paints are really thin. Flood the canvas. I guess I should have just poured it in the center. Okay, it's probably way too much paint. So check out their channels. It was just really interesting how the cells came up, and I'll put you on time lapse so that you can see. Like I said, this is my first time trying it, so we'll see. Now, these are all leftover paints, and I thinned them out to this consistency, really watery. So this is the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. We have Pebeo, Iridescent Green Blue. This is Modern Masters Satin Finish in Venetian Blue, mixed with two golden paints, which is Prussian Blue and Anthracnone Blue. Golden's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, mixed with 24 karat Extreme Sheen by Decor. Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. And I don't know if I'm going to use all of these colors. This is also Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet mixed with some Pebeo Iridescent Violet Blue. Blue Violet. Blue Violet, yes. There's a lot of blue violets, but they don't all look the same. So I've got my canvas flooded here. I've seen them poured into a cup and then poured out. I'm just gonna pour these right directly on. Well, should I, shouldn't I? Yeah, I'm gonna pour them directly on here. See if I can get some kind of ocean looking colors. Oh, metallic, cobalt metallic blue is sinking. Almost looks like a rainbow. All right, so I'm just gonna move these paints around. This is just a test. This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test. We'll see what it brings out. All right, I am going to wash my hands, and I am going to put you on time lapse. As a matter of fact, I'll put you on time lapse right now, and I won't touch it. See what happens. Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. We're gonna do something a little bit different today. I've got some Cloud Pour mix here, and I am going to flood this canvas with it. And see what I can get with some really thinned out paint. I'm trying to do a cloud. You know what? I think I'm gonna have to water down some more. So the cloud mix that I made up is Floetrol, Artist Love Flow Acrylic White, and Decor Satin Enamels, and some GAC 800. So I'm just watering this down. I made it thick, and then I just, as I need it, I just water it down. Yeah, it's got to be really super, super, I don't know if you guys can see that coming off the stick. Might even be a little bit too thick. All right. Yeah, I think that's good. There we go. And I've been following Sarah Taylor and Dwight Myers and Elyse and MelyD, and I want to see if I can, ooh, there's lots of bubbles in here. If I can replicate something that they were doing. See how fast it's moving, guys? It's really, really super thin. So I'm gonna give this a torch because there's tons of bubbles in it. I hope I have enough paint. That was Modern Masters in Venetian Blue, and I mixed that with a little bit of Golden's Anthracone Blue and Golden's Prussian Blue hue. So what I'm going to do is just move the paint around. So pretty. From what Sarah Taylor was saying, the Modern Masters is a metallic that does sell up. So that's what I went with. And what I'm going to do is put you guys on time lapse, so you can see what's going to happen with this stuff. I think I've got too much. Don't like the composition. The more you stretch, the more cells you get too. So this is really interesting. I like it. All right, those are getting wonky. And I only used one color this time. Next time I might use more, but I wanted, whoops. I did an attempt earlier with just, with a whole bunch of striped colors, or the stripes across it, and it just didn't look right. But I'm gonna go wash my hands, come back and put you guys on time lapse, and then we'll see what happens. Wow, it's already starting. I'm gonna leave it just like that. So I'm gonna turn you off real quick and then turn you right back on. Guys, here it is. It's not going to be changing anymore. It's been several hours, but wow, look at that. Look at those edges. It's already starting to dry. That's one thing I like about thin paints. They dry pretty nice. Oh man, I love all those little jagged edges up there too, and look at all those cells. Too cool. Well, there was a bug that landed in here, and I fished him out, and that's where he came out of. So I can either touch that up or just leave it. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way this all turned out. Look at that. Yeah, I'll be doing more of these. I can see doing this on a large scale. I'm just starting to play with it, so I'm very happy that, actually it was my friend Cleary who put me in touch. Look at that, you can see the shimmer there. Jeez Louise. Who put me in touch with Sarah Taylor's channel, and then Sarah threw me over to Dwight Myers, and they are both, now I added a little bit of aqua in there just for fun. So it's monochromatic, but you know, I just can't just leave it alone. And I ended up drawing these lines in right there. And they, yeah, it was really cool. Yeah, I drew some lines in somewhere. It all just kind of melds together. It's so cool. Ooh, I'm excited. I can't wait to do another one. Ciao for now. You guys stay safe and create. Please like and share and subscribe.